Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this fire breathing dragon filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, so I'm in trending section. Here slide right until you see interactive. Go there, scroll up here. Okay, so there are two dragon filter. Don't choose this one, choose this one, the blue one. Okay, and open your mouth, and that's it, you got the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then what you can do, let me close this. You can go to discover and you can search for dragon head. Okay, and on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. You can tap there and you can use the effect from there also, likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from here also, from discover also, then what you can do, let me go back first. Visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the filter icon. Tap on the filter icon. Okay, and in this page tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and there you go, you got the filters. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this fire breathing dragon filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.